Okay, hey guys, my name is Yunfei, and this my group ID is 1313. And let's see the project. So my project name is KS Demo, which is inspired by the game Kingsfield. It's a sword-like game. It's a really old game, so I can press the new game to start it. So this is the basic demo for the game. As you can see, there's only like I use some really simple geometric mesh to create the map. So this is the tree, this is the wall, and there's some rock and the ground there. It looks really simple, but like it has collision. So when you try to go through the wall, it's not available. Also, there will be some hands here in the top. So once you click the mouse, it will lock the screen, and then WSD to move, spacebar to jump, left mouse button to attack, and then also tab to open the inventory, shift to dodge, and the sprint. This is the basic rules for this game. And then when you click it, you can lock the mouse here, and then on the left bottom there will be stamina and HP. Stamina will be like when you walk, when you try to run, dodge, and jump, like this: jump, dodge, and run. They will all cost some stamina, and if the stamina is not enough, it will the action will be failed to display. And then there's HP bar for your health, and then this will be the hints for you to try to interact with something. And in the bottom there's some charge bar, so when you attack you can charge to attack to have some the longer time you charge, the greater damage will take. And then here you can switch to fantasy mode, and then there's some location of the player. This is the point of the player. Once you kill the enemy, it will give you some points. And then we can press that. So this is one of the interactable stuff. So I can pick it up by interact with E. So I can check it in my bag, in my inventory. I use tab to show the inventory. It shows like different buttons, different categories. I know the weapon, the sword is the weapon, so we can click the weapon button. As you can see the weapons here. The sword, the broken sword. It will show the 3D model in the middle, and then also some interaction. This is the weapon list. And then this is the weapon status. You can see the damage, the range, the cooldown for the sword, for this sword, and you can equip the weapon by using this button. So I can equip that. So the main hand weapon is now broken sword now. So I can use escape or tab to close the button, close the bag, and then like this. This flower is a material, so you can also use E to pick it up. So we can see that in the bag, it's a material. When you click the material, it will shows the 3D model of the flower, the material, and also give some introduction. And this is the how many flowers do you have, and we can put it back. Also, there's some other categories. You can try to, let's see, the runes, the rings. They're nothing yet, so it will not show anything. This is the checkpoint. You can interact with the checkpoint. So let's see. Okay, so when you interact with the checkpoint, you will be respawned into the position of the checkpoint. And also, as you can see, we collected this before. So everything that can be, so like this, the sword here is not going to respawn again because the sword can only pick up once. So things like materials, they can be refreshed to in the map by clicking the checkpoint. It's like a sword game, yeah. And also when you every time you die, you will be respawned to the checkpoint, and also create interactable stuff, which is your points there. You can try to pick up your points to get it back, and before you pick the points, if you died, you will lose the points forever. This is basically like the Sword game. So this is the enemy. I can try to attack it like this. Okay, so when you charge it, the damage will be greater, and there's 2 motion for the weapons. Yeah, and also I think when you click the checkpoint, it will create a save for you. We can continue the game like this. And then this is some rocks, some ground. We can pick it up. We can collect some, and also we can bash it to run faster. Also to try to run. So this is the second weapon we can pick up. It's a longsword. We can use the weapon category to equip the longsword. It has some greater damage and greater range, so I think I like this, so I can use this weapon. And then we can try to switch to fantasy mode. So in the fantasy mode, okay, do that again. So in the fantasy mode, the checkpoint will be different. I use the campfire to replace the model of the campfire. So this is the other change. The box enemy will change to a spider, the model. And then once you interact with the campfire, there will be smoke to show it's already interact. There's some bug with the collision of the house, so I just cancel every collision with the house, so you can go through that. But like the other geometric mesh, I still save that like this. I can click that, and you can see in the fancy mode when I walk in, it looks like a real walking pace. So, and also I use textures and shaders for everything. You can see the textures and the models, and like this. Take closer look to the to the flowers. The edges are jaggy. It looks like the PS1 version. This looks like a really old game version, so I think it's pretty cool. And I can pick it up. And this is the maze. So this is the maze. Also you can see it's a bit dark, and this is the blood moon. Here's the maze. It may have some different kinds of materials for you, so you can pick that up like this. So I can kill it first. Okay, so I kill that. I can try to pick up the mushrooms. So this is the mushrooms. Okay. Then there's some other thing. Okay, the mushrooms. I can check it. So it's a material. Oh, it's not shown. But like there might be some bug showing, but like it's a different materials. And here, this is the ring. It's another interactable stuff. It's in the new category. It's in ring. So we can see the ring here. The ring have its own like ability. Once you equip the ring, it will function the ability. Otherwise, it will not. The player can only equip the one rings in the game, so I can equip that. These rings have the ability like you can restore 10% of damage to your health bar. So we can run, and then there's a boss room for here. We can find the boss room. So this is the last interactable weapon we can pick up. So it's the scythe. Okay, equip that. It's a really good weapon. We can charge it. Okay, we can save it. Then we can kill it. We can try to die for once, so let's see how this works. That. It's not really. So you died, you have to click anywhere to respawn, and it will respawn at the last checkpoint. It's right here. So I can kill the boss now. Okay, and also you can pick up the point that you lost. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching.